Many years after, I don't know if they're still around, may crush kasi ako ng isang, istorya lang man ito. She was that lady na makita mo doon sa St. Alstem's building. If you go up, yung babae na, I don't know if she's still around, yung babae doon nakaupo, na may lunal dito. Kasi kung nandito pa siya, pakasalan kita ma'am, pag nabiyuda ka na. Talagang crush kita. And every time that mag-akyat ako, tinitignan ko siya, alam niya na may gusto ako sa kanya. Ang problema, hindi ko alam kung may gusto siya sa akin. From a distance. But she knew that I was her admirer. So yung pag-akyat mo, mayroon doong window, parang, I don't know if it's the cashier, pero doon sa left side, paakyat. Ma'am, if you are still around, can I just maybe shake your hand? I don't know, teacher. So, many years after, wala man tayo after my speech, nobody talked. Oh, so would you rather that we go home? Pwede mag-chismis-chismis muna tayo dito.